What's good, guys? Today's video is not going to be one of my regular videos. Today's video is going to be more of a bittersweet video because I haven't been posting in a while, and I feel like it is only fair, it is only right that I come on here and just let you guys know what's up. So I'm not going to beat around the bush. I am basically going to be selling my channel. Yeah, it is already sold. The name is just not changed as yet. I feel like it is just for the best because time, it is against me, and I really don't want to be like seen as the inconsistent person anymore. I am just going to let it go. I was trying my very best to continue with it, to even change the schedule to posting like once a week so it would be like easier on me, but obviously that is not working out. So after a very long decision, I just decided to sell the channel. Was it worth it? Yes and no, because I feel like I owe it to you guys, my supporters, for coming on this journey with me. But at the end of the day, I just wanted to stop disappointing you guys, like stop being inconsistent, stop not posting and all those other bad stuff. So I just felt like it was time to just give it up. So yeah, I sold the channel. It is confidential information. I'm not going to share who I sold the channel to, but I think you might see like when the person start posting, and you probably be like, oh, I never subscribed to that person or whatever. So I think you may see. What I will say is, it's not necessary for you to unsubscribe because the person that I'm selling my channel to is a very well-known person, and they will bring the heat. So let me tell you, this couple, they will bring the heat. Yeah, I think it's a good thing that I've done. I have no regrets, and like I said, I haven't had time. Time has been against me for the longest, and I just feel like I'm not giving up, but I just feel like it is only for the best, you know. So to all my day one supporters, I love you guys. Words can't express how grateful I am to have you guys in my corner. And hopefully, if I do get more time on my hands, I can always make another channel and get my supporters back on track with me. But like I said, for right now, I feel like time is just against me. I did this, remember, I did this in quarantine, so you know that I had all the time in the world. I was coming with videos back to back to back to back until I started working again, where you know that the work that I do is very time sensitive. You cannot tell when, you cannot tell the time, you cannot tell the second, you cannot tell the minute, you cannot tell the hour. So yeah, I am so sorry to my directed supporters. Words can't express, but I feel like if you were rocking with me from the beginning, you would understand where I'm coming from. But yeah, it's only fair, it's only right that I share with you guys what's up and not just go MIA. Also, for all the persons like DMing me and texting me asking me about what's happening to the channel, this, that, and the third, here you go. I didn't really want to text back because I know that I'm going to be getting like mad responses as to why, but guys, it is what it is and the decision is made. The channel is already paid for, like I said, so it is just for the now owners of the channel to just change the name, transition, and do their stuff. Yes, the videos will be removed because, like I said, different people doing their thing. This is my last video and I just want to say thank you guys and I love you guys. April Fools, guys. April Fools. First and foremost, I want to say I am Miss Determined. I am Miss Never Give Up. So I will never ever sell the channel. That's number one. Number two, even if I stop posting for mad long, just know that one day out of the blues you will see a video from me back like I never left. But yeah, April Fools, just a jokey joke, guys. What's a video without my intro though? So what's up, guys, it's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you've read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya. I am the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you're not new, I just want to say welcome back to my channel, babies, and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Today is April 1st, y'all, so I had to pull a quick one. However, I am just coming back on here to say that I am back like I never left. I am not going to apologize for being inconsistent because I feel like I'm not even inconsistent, but that is the word that is supposed to be used, so of course I'm going to use that word. Guys, I have a job, like a big woman work me do. You understand? So I am sorry, time has been against me for the longest, but you know what, I know that you know that I have been trying my very best. So I am just back on here to say I have some new content and I'm going to be sharing with you guys. But first things first, I just want to say thank you guys for 1K subscribers. I did say in December that my goal was to reach 1K subscriber before Christmas, and I did. However, I didn't get the chance to do any recording or anything like that. So in support of my 1K subscribers and as a gratitude for my 1K subscribers, I will be inserting a giveaway. So my giveaway right now is going to be credit. So I'm going to be giving away Digital and Lime credit. However, to get your undivided attention, I will not state when. Just know that I have 4 phone cards in this video. So be sure to watch the video from the start all the way to the end. Also, when you get the credit on your phone, just type in the comment section thank you, or just type in the comment section got it, because I don't want it to be on here and nobody received it. You feel me? So yeah, and it's only getting better from here. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, ants, duck ants, rat cats and squirrels.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Thank you very much. Thank you. Words can't express how grateful I am. I just really want to build my watch hours up, that is like getting more views on my videos and stuff, so I can get monetized. But patience is virtue, and God give good things to those who wait. So I'm just taking and building my stuff one step at a time. But yeah, like I said, guys, stay tuned to my channel, and just remember I have mad contents for you guys. Just turn your post notification on if you haven't already, and just continue showing love, showing your support, and leaving positivity on my channel, guys. If you've reached this far in the video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Follow me on all my social media platforms at AYAFARRR. That is IFR with 3 R's. So yeah, every social media platform that there is, just type AYAFARRR IFR and you'll see me. I'll be there. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys.